वंदे गुरुपदद्वन्द्वं भक्तबिन्दुसमन्वितं श्रीचैतन्यप्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्दसहोदितं श्रीनन्दनन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणोदयं गोपीजनसमायुक्तं बिन्दावनं मनोहरम् वाञ्छाकल्पतरुश्च कृपासिन्धुभवच पतितानं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयितगिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवं। वृन्दावै तुलसीदेव वै पिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्तिपदे देवी सत्त्ववत्त्वयि नमो नमः। नारायण नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयो मुदीरये। संकीर्तने कृष्ण कथोपदेशे गौरीयपत्रस्य प्रकाशने च सदानुरक्त गुरु भक्ति युक्तो भक्ति प्रमोदाक्ष जगोद्वरुण्य ध्येयं सदा परिभवग्नमभिष्टदोहं तेथास्पदं शिवविरिञ्चनुतं शरण्यं एतात्यहं पुनतपाल्भवाद्दिपूतं वन्दे महापुरुषते चरुणारविन्दं यत्पादपल्लवनखचन्दमनिच्छटाय विस्फुरिजित किमपि गववधू स्वदर्शि पूर्णानुरागरससागरसारमूर्तिः साराधिकामयि कदा कृपां करोति। श्रीकृष्णचैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तबिंद श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तबिंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे। आजानुलंबित भुजौ कनकाबदातो संकीर्तनैकपितरो कमलायताक्षो विश्वाम्बरो द्विजभरो जुगधर्मपालो वन्दे जगत्प्रियकरो करुणाभतारो। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे। नमामि गंगे तव पादपङ्कजं सुरासुरैर्वन्दितो दिव्यरूपं भुक्तिं च मुक्तिं च ददासि नित्यं भावानुरूपेण सदा नरानं। गंगातरङ्गरमणीयजटाकलापं गौरी निरन्तरविभूषी त्ववामभागं नारायणो प्रियमनङ्गमदापहारं वाराणसीपुरपति भजवीशनाथं वागीसजुष्वदने लक्ष्मीर्यस्य च वक्षसि यस्यास्ते हृदय संवित् त्वं सिंहमहं भजे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Srimad Prabhu Padambujai Srimad Bhagavatamritam Yat Vyatyani Tadevedam Sankhepena Nishebhate Srimad Padam Srimad Prabhu Padambujai Srimad Bhagavatamritam Yad Vyatyani Tadevedam Sankhepena Nishebhate. Gauriya Goshtipati, Sri Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that we will have to develop that kind of beauty as is available in one single particle, dust particle from the lotus feet of Rupa Goswami Pada. Gauriya Goshtipati, Sri Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that we will have to develop this light, this kind of beautiful sarup, which is just equal to one dust particle from the lotus feet of Rupa Goswami Pada. So beautiful. Why so? Why so? Because if not so, then we cannot, Krishna cannot feel attraction for us. Then surely Krishna cannot feel attraction for us. We cannot embrace Krishna, we cannot kiss Krishna. I am not speaking about Krishna which is available in novel and story. I am not speaking about any such Krishna who is his imaginary character. I am not speaking about such a Krishna who is the hero according to one passionate people who is going to start competition with Krishna. I am going to speak about that Krishna who is controlling the infinite universe, Ananta Brahman. I mean, Yanma dasya yato nmayadita rataschvarthesu savigga sarada. Yanma dasya yato yanmo adi kasho vishasho yanmo, I mean creation of this whole creation. Janma Adi mean creation, maintenance and destruction, annihilation, whatever you like. Yanmo Adi Asho Kasho Vishasho Yataha, by whom everything going to be done. Everything in infinity world, Prakrit and Aprakrit Jagat, whatever, wherever, however, happening, all by Krishna. Behind it, behind the screen is Krishna. Sometimes Krishna in front, sometimes behind the screen, but all done by him. Really fantastic. If we are not going to develop that kind of beautiful sarup, as is equal to one dust particle from the lotus feet of Rupa Goswami Pada, then surely Krishna cannot feel attraction towards us. Krishna cannot feel any attraction for us. And we cannot embrace Krishna, we cannot kiss Krishna, we cannot love Krishna, not possible. Krishna cannot come to us. Krishna is not so cheap as you are thinking. You have money, power, you can get Krishna, not that. Not that. Kunti Devi already confirmed it. Only those Niskinchan, Akinchan, only property, the only property. If in your life, Sri Krishna is the only property, then you can get. All other people cannot get. Countless birth and death. We can travel and travel and travel in course of traveling these 14 worlds. Somehow we can meet with such a great exalted pure sadhus whose motive is only to glorify Bhagavan and to get lotus feet. By chance, somehow, if I can get in contact with him, by some exchange somehow done, then Brahmanda Brahmite Guna Bhagavan Jeev, Guru Krishna Prasade by Bhakti Lata Bij. I can get Bhakti Lata Bij, a seed of Bhakti, and that seed, proper nourishment should be given with water, air, sunlight. Water means Nam, Harinam, Sankirtan, Harikatha, etc. Water, sunlight can be compared with Krishna, air, Guru Kipa. Follow. Navassat eritam tari no tareto sa atmaha. Nideha madhyam sulabam sukalpam guru karna dharam. This sloga you can remember. Very nice. If we have failure to develop that kind of charming beauty, Krishna cannot feel attraction. Krishna feeling attraction towards Rupa Pal, Rupa Goswami, Rupa Manjari. We can demand we are in their line, in his line, but our demand has no false background. A demand should have, because demand is always, there is two types of demands. One is false demand, fictitious demand. As per economics, there is two types of demands. One is real demand, genuine demand, effective demand, what is called effective demand, and another is called false demand, fictitious demand. One is genuine demand. Fictitious demand means, as per economics, you are very hungry, you are watching all the sweets, they are decorated in the glass almirah, in the sweet shop. You have demand, you like to get it. Immediately you like to eat, but you have no money. You have no money, how you can get? That is called fictitious demand, not effective demand. But if you are hungry, but if you like to buy, you like to buy it for home, for any, at the same time you have money power in, you have your money power, you have money in your pocket, you can go and you can pay thousands of rupees and get some sweet, and you can buy. That is what effective demand. Effective demands mean, together with demand, you should have your financial capacity to buy it, to procure it. If not so, it can go in the book of false demand. Similarly, we all putting tilak, mala, dress, everything, attirement like the factory, labor, we are doing everything, we are taking different kind of clothes, red, white, everything. But we have no demand. Then we cannot get. That's why Prabhupada very often used to say, Krishna is not an object of our sense gratification. So that Krishna can come, we can look at Krishna, feel some pleasure, not that. We can never see Krishna by the help of these eyes. Prabhupada many times told. We cannot see Krishna by the help of this material eyes, which is made up of blood, flesh, everything. No. Rather, Prabhupada told, rather we should act in such a way so that where our activities, I mean devotional activities, become very fantastic, very nice, and Krishna feel attraction by watching our Seva Sarup. That can be so. If we are sincere, devoid of any duplicity, that can be so. Or cannot be so. If we are duplicate, Prabhupada speaking, Bhagavad Nam coming down here in this material world out of causeless mercy to help us. You can remember the Kirtan in which Bhaktivinoda Thakur also wrote, Jayo Jayo Harir Nam Chidanando Mito Dham Paratato Aksharo Akoro Nijo Jane Kipa Kori Namarupe Abotori Jivedaya Korile Aparo Jayo Hari Krishna Nam Jagajano Subhisram Sarvajano Manosaranjano. You can remember this Kirtan. Jaya Jaya Hari Nam Chidananda Mitodam is coming down. Yes. Prabhupada speaking Bhagavan Nam coming down here to bestow Kripa on us. Similarly, Bhagavad Archa Avatar, Sri Nama Avatar, Gurudev Avatar, Bhagavad Leela, Bhagavad Dham, all coming down from Chit Jagat, or Prakita Jagat. So we have the facility to discuss, to hear, to sing, yes. So, Rupa Goswami Pad wanted to bring about a great evolution by presenting just the gist, synopsis of whole Brihad Bhagavatamrita, which is next to impossible. Not impossible, next to impossible. We can get information about Krishna. Which way? Krishna can come in the form of Archavatar, Namavatar, Vishayajati Bhagavan in the form Gurudev Avatar, Asrayajati Bhagavan. That this way, by the help of Gurudev, we can get in contact with Bhagavan. No other way open before us. No other way open before us. No other way. So, the sloka I started with, there is the glorification of Prabhupada, Sri Sanatana Goswami, who compiled Brihad Bhagavatamrita, which is the gist of whole Bhagavatam, and here is Srila Rupa Goswami Pad, who wanted to get the gist cream out of that, because it's so vast. People usually very lazy, tired, feeling tired. As present situation is that, if you speak multiplication 8 by 7, they can open mobile, calculator. So lazy, using computer, using a whole day and night. So naturally, what is there, that we are going to lose. Okay, for favorable purpose we can use it, but we should keep our heart, brain, mind all active. if we can teach, if we can get in touch with Guru Vaishnava all the time, hearing Harikatha, so Srimad Prabhu Padambujai, Srimad Bhagavatamritam, Yad Bhatyani, Tadevedam, Sankhyapena Nishebbati. So, it is a declaration by Srila Rupa Goswami Pad with folded hand, humble attitude, humble as that the blade of grass is applicable for us, but we cannot attain. But Rupa Goswami Pad, humbleness we cannot even imagine. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, his humbleness even we cannot imagine. Raghunath Das Goswami, his humbleness we cannot even imagine. It is beyond human comprehension. We can think impractical. How possible? Yes. Srimad Padam Bhujai, Srimad Prabhu Padam Bhujai, Srimad Prabhu Padam Bhujai, Srimad Bhagavatam Vritam, Yad Bhatyani Tade Vedam, Sankhipena Nishebbate. Kali Yuga Pavanavatari, Karuna Varunalaya, Swayam Bhagavan, Swayam Rup Bhagavan, Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, all his parikar, internal associates, Mahamahopadhyayavali, those who all are ready to do arati, the lotus feet of Rupa Goswami Pad. Your attention please. Kali Yuga Pavanavatari, Paratpara Khileshwar, Karuna Varunalaya, Swayam Bhagavan, Swayam Rup Bhagavan, Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, all of his internal associates, Mahapadhyayavali, those who are ready to do arati, Jaya Jaya Gura Chadir Arati Kasava, are here, the arati of Rupa Goswami Pad. All the parikar of Gauranga Mahaprabhu like to do arati of the lotus feet of Srila Rupa Goswami Pad. Try to understand. In this material world, some Pandit can have a title extending up to 1 kilometer which has got zero value or negative value. Follow. That's why Prabhupada never wanted to get some degree. And pure our Guru Vaishnava, they never wanted to get acquire some degree. Our Sridhar Goswami could easily get big title, but he never done. All those who are Sahajiya, Prakita Sahajiya, those who are against Gaudiya, most of them, they have big degrees. Oh, big degrees. But Prabhupada and our Guru Varga never wanted to get. Still, a Prakita degree Prabhupada used to give, Mahapadhyay or Mahapadeshak, Upadeshak, Mahapadeshak, different kind of type, honor Prabhupada used to give in Vishwa Vaishnava Brahmasabha arranged, usually used to be arranged in one time in a year at the time of Gaur Purnam day. That time. But at present, if we find one pure devotee, we can kick him out. Because there is one kind of problem for us. If he's going to follow, there is our. What to speak about honor, also if you are going to give honor, they can make urine on that honor. They cannot take. They are less interested about honor, because they are getting nectar. Anant Amrita, they are getting already. So those who are not getting Amrita, those who are thinking money, sweeter than honey, Only for them you reserve all your title, honor, garland, whatever you like, you can do that for them. But because pure devotee, they are listen to, they can feel wastage of time. They just can feel wastage of time, they cannot accept it, So, all those eternal persons of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, Mahapadhyaya, they all like to glorify, do, arati, Akhil Shastra Nishnato, is versed in all Shastra, what not. That Srila Rupa Goswami Charan, who wanted to present us very, very easily we can understand, if we can enjoy his kripa, how he wanted to compile this Lagu Bhagavatamrita, Nikhil Shastra Nisnato, his verse in all Shastra, Akhil, Sarva Vedanta Sar Srimad Bhagavatam, Sarva Vedanta Swaram, he Srimad Bhagavatam Ishwati. Sarva Vedanta Swaram, he Srimad Bhagavatam Ishwati. He wanted to stir all ocean of Shastra, and our Prabhupada, Srimad Prabhupadambuja, I mean the Prabhupada here, the word Rupa Goswami wanted to use for Sanatana Goswami. He wanted to star all Bhagavatam, wanted to get the cream, all related to Bhakti, Bhakta Bhagavan, grades of Bhakti, everything. He wanted to stir a whole ocean. Anantaparam kila sabda sastram. He wanted to compile a very, very nice nectar, not material nectar of Prakita, which is available in heaven, not that. He wanted to compile a very nice Lagu Bhagavatamritam, Alaukik, supernatural Amrita Bhandar. Is the source of all Amrita. He wanted to compile, he has compiled, and the result we are getting. So he wanted to do such a great seva for the Sampradaya that even it is beyond human comprehension. He has done a great benefit. Vastutaha, in true sense, Sanatana Goswami Prabhupada, what all he wanted to write in Brihad Bhagavatamrita, all in details about Bhakti, Bhakta Bhagavan, Dham, Nam, great relationship between Bhagavan and any particular devotee, and gradation, what all everything, Bhukti, Mukti, all, and pure Bhakti, and also gradation of the pure Bhakti, up to reaching up to the lotus feet of Radharani. Finally, Golokdham, we finished. We wanted to draw conclusion by projecting the absolute glorification of Golokdham, Vrindavan, and all Vrajavasis, where Krishna want to say, I can project my hand up because I have nothing to give you, I surrender. That Golokdham Vrindavan is glorification of devotees, Vrajavasis, finally Radharanis, we wanted to close that chapter with this, though it is always open, but what to say? That Brihad Bhagavatam Siddhanta is full. I mean, one man, if he can go through Brihad Bhagavatamrita under the guidance of pure Guru Vaishnava, who is having this kind of, heart, loveful heart, surely he can know A to Z everything. Like our Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he has written Jaiva Dharma. By reading Jaiva Dharma, one can have a preliminary everything, A to Z idea. Though in a precise form, if you know more details, elaborated form, you need to go through respective related books from which Bhaktivinoda Thakur wanted to compile it for our benefit, because Kalikal lifespan is very short, at the same time patience is not there, jealousy there, competition there, fighting, or all everything there. Kali is always there to make disturbance among us so that we cannot do perfect bhajan. Mayadevi cannot allow us to become niskapat. That is the main problem for which we are facing so countless problems. But we shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome. This song I can sing. Yes, we can. Someday we can overcome by the mercy of Guru Vaishnava. Why not? Otherwise our heart can break down. We are coming for long distance. We want to get our target, reach our target, but surely not like Sahajiya. So Rupa Goswami wanted to say, whatever my Prabhupada, say Sanatana Goswami Gurudev, wanted to write all in details in Brihad Bhagavatamrita, all Siddhanta with Upannas, different kind of stories, everything, in details. That actually, we can safely say, our Rupa Goswami Pad wanted to get the test. He is not speaking, you see the humbleness. Rupa Goswami Pad not saying, well, I have done nice book, it's more practical, in precise form people can get more benefit. Not that way. He is, Rupa Goswami Pad rather speaking, okay, I wanted to compile this Laghu Bhagavatamrita by the mercy of my Gurudev Sanatana Goswami in a very precise form. I wanted to get the taste. I wanted to get the taste of Brihad Bhagavatamrita in a very precise form. So, you can say both way. You wanted to represent for us, also he is speaking, I am getting the test. I am testing. So, see Laghu Bhagavatamrita Granth in Mangal Acharan, it is the rules. Whenever, whoever writing or Mahajans writing books, they are first of all writing Mangal Acharan. Always, Mangal Acharan is a system, auspicious system, it's a must, without which, it is the etiquette, it is the procedure. All our Guru Varga following. So, my Prabhupada, what all he has written in Bhagavatamrita, I wanted to get the text in a very precise form. What all Siddhanta my Prabhupada wanted to establish in Shastra, all on the background of Sabda Pramana Moolam, all on the basis of Sabda Pramana Moolam, he wanted to establish on the basis of Sabda Pramana. Sabdo, what do you mean by Sabdo? Amnaya Praho. Amnaya Vakku, we can safely enter into Vedanta, we can pass Srimad, though it was in Hindi, I was discussing Shastro Yanitvat. If you at all want to know all in details about Bhagavan, Bhakta, Dham, Nam, whatever, you will have to go through Shastra. So, Shastra Janitvat. We can remember in Chatushlaki Bhagavatam what Bhagavan told to Brahma. Brahma, Brahma, it is not possible for you to get. If I am going to give you, then you can get. Jnanam paramam guhyam me yad vijnana samannitam sarahasam tadangancha grihanugaditam maya. Jnanam paramaguhyam me yad vijnana samannitam sarahasam tadangancha grihanugaditam maya. After that, speaking, Jabanaham yatha bhava yad rupa guna karma kaha tathaiva vijnanamastute madhanugraha. No other way. By my kippa, you can come to know. Who am I, how I am, what is my dham, what is my mood, what I want to... Javanaham yatha bhava yad rupa guna karma kaha tathaiva tattva vijnanam astu te mad anugraha. Not that fancifully, you have money power, manpower, you have proficiency in Sanskrit, oh, what you can do? All useless. Nothing can help you to attain the lotus feet of Madan Gopal. Not possible. So anyway, before writing Laghu Bhagavatamrita, our Rupa Goswami Pad, first of all, wanted to identify himself and wanted to explain how and why, which way I was bound to compile this Laghu Bhagavatamrita, which is just the, very gist of that books. Because people can feel tired, they cannot go through, because especially in Kali Yuga, people are tired, always lazy. So, whatever Siddhanta Vichara I wanted to establish here, by the mercy of my Gurudev, Srila Sanatana Goswami, all based on Sabda Pramana Mool. Sabda Pramana, Sabda Janitvat, but Sastra Janitvat, same. Sabda Janitvat and Sastra Janitvat all same. Because in Sastra, what is it? Sabda. And which can also identify Sabda. We don't understand what you mean to say. It is Sabda form. Shastra is Sabda form. In the form of Shastra in the form of Sabda. And Bhagavan is also in the form of Sabda. So it's one more practical. Shabdo, Aprakita Sabdo can identify Aprakita Bhagavan. If we are going to take help of something else, which is foreign thing, then it would have not been possible for us to do it. Not. It's more practical. So, Rupa Goswami was speaking, all Siddhanta I wanted to establish is all Sabda Pramana Mool. This book can represent the cream of the whole Bhagavatam, all different Purans is a paribhasha. You can say this way. So those who are very interested, I mean especially those who are Vaishnavas, especially our Gauri Vaishnavas, those who respect Bhagavatam as per the as per the indication of Sriman Mahaprabhu, Aradha Bhagavan Bhajasasthanayas Tadhama Vrindavanam Ramma Kajidupasana Bhajavati Vargeno Ja Kalpita Srimad Bhagavatam Pramanam Amalam Pema Pumartha Mahano Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhura Matam Idam Tatradharana Paraha. This sloka by Srinath Chakravarti is the syllabus, because we in our childhood or boyhood used to go to school, new class, new session, means new syllabus, new books, nothing. So the syllabus can speak what all you will have to go through, all those books, you will have to pass an exam. Of course here the question is a little bit different, the question of feeling. So, Aradha Bhagavan, this sloka, if somebody asking you, you can speak in a few, one or two lines, what is your Gaudiya Bhajan? Eh? If somebody asking, what you can say? Aradha Bhagavan Bhajasastanayas Tadhama Vrindavanam Ramma Kachidupasana Pajavati Vargena Ja Kalpita Srimad Bhagavatam Pramanam Amalam Prema Pumartha Mahano Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhur Matam Idam Tatradharana Paraha. That you can speak. So those who are interested to have a clear idea about Siddhanta Vichara, everything, I mean those who are going to put Bhagavatam on their head as the most respected books, not books, Bhagavan. Because Srimad Bhagavatam is Sri Krishna eva hi. Sri Krishna eva hi. Sri Krishna himself taking the form of Bhagavatam Sabda Brahma. So it's a must for them, especially if I cannot understand who is my Ishtadev, if I cannot understand what is the sweetness there in my Ishtadev, why I can do, why and who can help me, though all those ideas if not clear to me, then it is not possible. At present this is a situation. Nobody can understand whom to approach to take Diksha, how to approach, what is the procedure, what should be the minimum qualification I should have, what kind of submission should be there to make the Diksha procedure effective. After taking this, how to do bhajan and progress, what is the procedure of seva, and which way I can go with a enjoying mood of seva so that I can get benefit in near future. All questions are not clear to us. Now at present one kind of wind blowing, sweet wind blowing in the name of Hari Bhajan. But especially if I have no idea about my Ishtavastu, his tattva, his devotees, his dhamma, nama, what is the final target to be attained, then all useless become. How we can do? Because Upasya, Upasak, the object of my worship, I mean object of my bhajan, and I myself who like to do bhajan, they should have a close and deep relationship. If not so, then all can come to a flop end. So, if all those things, so if all those things are not clear to me, so if all those things are not clear to me, then I cannot do Hari Bhajan. Follow. Through proper channel, through proper procedure, I should approach and get my final object. So, it is very urgent to discuss the object of my worship, I mean Upasya Vastu, Upasak Tattalashana, Upasya Upasak Sarup, Parigyan, clear conception about Sarup, and Bhagavad Sadhu, those who are, what is their topmost procedure of sadhan or limbs of sadhan, because without having a clear conception of Upasya Upasakir Sarup Chabi, to get a clear picture inside heart, if I try fancifully, it is impossible. And anyway, if we are doing fancifully, that bhajan cannot lead me up to success. The same thing I told you, can remember, the reason Bhagavan could not come in front of Sadhan Siddha Narad in previous life. It was the aerial voice where he told, aerial voice already told what? Aerial voice told, Abhipakka kasayanam duddhasoham ku yoginam. Abhipakka kasayanam duddhasoham ku yoginam. Those who are not mature, not getting maturity. No guru perfect, sister not perfect, procedure itself is full of defects, problems, no clear idea. Abhipakka, kasayanam, and anarthas are there. Durdaso, they cannot see me properly. They cannot see me, not possible. Bhagavan speaking, Abhipakka kasayanam, durdaso aham, kujoginam. So, one kind of clear picture should be there between Ishtadev and I myself and our devotees. How best possible way I can progress, how I can do bhajan so that Bhagavan can get satisfaction ultimately, because the ultimate object of bhajan is to seek the satisfaction of the Supreme Lord. The reason for why we love Rupa Goswami Pad, Sanatana Goswami Pad, Jiva Goswami Pad, Raghunath Das, Raghunath Bhatto, Gopal, but why? There is the reason all they wanted to show us, without love, not possible. So, Srimad Bhagavatam, Veda, Vedanto, Upanishad, Darshanik Vichar, Darshan, Puran, Mahabharat, all Tantra, Adi, etc., Nikhil Shastra. Nikhil, all Shastras are there, countless Shastras. And all countless Shastras, ultimately, what is their outcome? Like Krishna told in Gita, Vedasya sarvairahameva vedya. So Nikhil Shastra Pratipadya, what is the net outcome of all Shastras? Do you know? Yes. Almost known, but not known from heart. Ishvaraha Paramakrishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadiradi Govinda Sarva Karana Karanam. I mean, Nikhil Shastra going to so indicate Advitiya Param Tatta Paratara Kileshwar Karuna Varunalaya Sri Krishna. All Matsya Avatar, Kurma Avatar, Varaha Avatar, Nishinga Avatar, or whatever, follow. Vaman Avatar, Ram Avatar, is whatever. Matsya, Kurumadi, countless Vedic Avatar Vindo are the Sansa. I can clarify what you mean by Sansa. English translation is not possible. Sansa, Vivinnyansa, somehow I have to speak. Excuse me. Sansa. All Vedic, all different avatars of Krishna here. Matsya, Kurmadi, Asanko, Vaidik, Avadar Sakal, the Sangsa, and all countless jivas are Tatasya Sakti of Bhagavan, and it is known as Vibhinnangsha Sakti. One by one I can clarify Vibhinnangsha. So Jiva Tatasya Sakti means Bhagavan, Tatasya Sakti means Tatasya Sakti of Bhagavan, or the Vibhinnangsha Sarup of Bhagavan. So in this book, you can get all detailed information about different kind of avatar, different kind of avatar, actually, all they are categorically, I can try my best to represent categorically. And in the beginning of this book, I mean Logu Bhagavatamrita, we can get Krishnamrita. To be frank, there is two part, basically two part. One is Krishnamrita, another is Bhaktamrita. Rupa Goswami Bhatta took decision to represent Krishnamrita, I mean lucrative offer. After that he wanted to show Bhaktamrita so that the devotee, how that they could satisfy Supreme Lord by their seva. So, in the first part, Krishnamrita, this part, different kind of Krishna Sarup identification of Krishna Sarup, and here we can find Swayamrup, but we don't know. Swayamrup also can be divided into two parts. Swayamrup and Tadik Atmarup. It is impossible for you right now, when I can draw one sketch, I can show you. Here is very beautiful representation. All avatars categorically written, Bhaktivinoda Sani Vibhag. So, Swayamrup, Bhagavan can be divided into Swayamrup Bhagavan or Tadikatmarup. Swayamrup or Tadikatmarup, two types. Swayamrup Bhagavan, Swayamrup, Tadikatmarup, and also Aveshrup. That I can discuss. Swayamrup Bhagavan can be divided in three parts. First is Swayamrup, Tatikatmarup, and Aveshrup. That I can come in details. Externally it is very complicated, but not at all complicated, very easy. Swayamrup or Tatikatmarup, both also having Vilas, Ashangshabhed Divido. Follow. Tadikatmarup, Vilas, Ashangsharup. I can all in details I can speak. So, Tadika. So first of all we say, what do we say? What do we say first? We say Swayamrup Tadikatmarup. Okay, Swayamrup also can be divided into two parts. Swayamrup, Brajanandan Krishna, Swayam Prakash. Okay, I can come later on. Sri Krishna also can express himself in Tadikatmarup. Tadikatmarup also can be divided into two categories. One is Vilas or Sangso. Among Sangso avatar, we can find Purusha avatar, first Purusha avatar, second. I can come later. I don't like to put you in confusion right now. I like to make it very easy. If in the beginning, if you feel very tired, you cannot enter into it. So I like to make it very soft discussion, very catchable, very... So, Swayamrup, Tadikatmarup can be divided, Vilas and Shangsabhed. Swayamrup also, uh, among Swayamrup, some Bhagavan is there who is expressing less energy, Nuno Shakti Yukto, yet other parts also Gyan, Shaktadi, Kaladhara, Avishto, those who are going to get Avesh avatars, some Mahattama Jeev, Avesh, it's called Avesh, all I can discuss after. Now I am going to had a glimpse, have a look, what all need to be discussed in this book, what all are the details. Prakash, Samuho, Prakash also countless, that also can be divided, but they are not, they cannot be distinguished, they cannot be, make up and down. Bhed padavachya nahe. Follow. You can remember the discussion between Sriman Mahaprabhu and Vallabh Bhatta, Vallabh Bhatta, actually, Tirumalla Bhatta in Srirangam, there Bhagavan told, though I know Narayan and Krishna non-different from each other, all the same. Tattataha, according to Tattva, all same. We cannot say that is useless, is hyper. No, we have no right to speak that way. We'll have to speak well. We can understand this way. Tattataha. Siddha, actually, Mahaprabhu speaking to Raghupati Upadhyaya. Mahaprabhu speaking to Venkat Bhatta in Srirangam. Siddhantatastu aveda opi. Hear me what he say. Siddhantatastu aveda opi. Siddhantatastu aveda opi. See Isha Krishna Sarupayo. Hear me with full attention. Your attention, please. Siddhantatastu aveda opi. See Isha Krishna Sarupayo. Rasena utkisate Krishna Isha rasastiti. According to Vichar, all same. We cannot make apartheid system like in Africa, black and white. Not that. All same. But still, Rasena utkisate Krishna Isha rasastiti. So, Mahaprabhu speaking, Siddhantatastu aveda opi, Siddhantatastu aveda opi, Si Isha Krishna Sarupayo, Rasena utkisate Krishna Isha rasastiti. That we can say. So all in details, we can come down, Sangsha, Avatar, those who are expressing less energy, yet other group, expressing Gyan and Sakyadi, Kala, Avesh, Bhagavan going to influence, put some energy, special power in some Mahattama Jiva, elevated Jiva, they are Avesh, Prakasama, Bhavatu, but I cannot, but though expression is so many, but all non-different from each other. Also, also we can say, Shangsha Avatar, there is Karna Navasai, Purusha Avatar, Garbhodasai, Kirodasai, Gunavatar also we can count, Vishnu, Brahma, Rudra, they are all dealing with qualities. Though dealing with qualities, Vishnu is always out of these qualities. The whole controlling of Sattaguna is there lying with Vishnu, Rajaguna with Brahma, and the Tamaguna is also controlled by Rudra. There Madhya, out of them, Vishnu Purusavatar Madhya, Kiradakasai, third Purusavatar, Vishuddha Sasto, Vishuddha Sattva Tanu, he is expressing That's why Sri Vishnu Sansukala, Vishnu Nirgun always, because he is having Shuddha Sattva Tanu, not mixed Tanu. Lilavatar also going to define in details there, different kind of time to time, on time I can discuss, excuse me, Lilavatar Bhavido, at 24 different kind of Chatussan Adi, Pangshu Pancha 25 also Manantar Avatar, Jugavatar, all together 41 different kind of Saktavis Avatar also can be divided into Prabhav and Vaibhav, that also Paravarastu, absolute Avastha, and some as expressing less importance. Internally all same. Paravarasto Nunavastha, Vede, all some, Saktavidauta, Prabhav, Vaibhav, Paravarasto Nuno, they are experiencing some extra, mane, less energy, Nunavastha, his position is, so, Chatussan, Narad, Saktavis Avatar also can be divided, Prabhav and Vaibhav, Paravarasto Nunavastha, Chaturved, I already told. Chatussan, Narad, Prithu, Kalki, Avatar, they are all Avish Avatar. In Kali Yuga, directly Vishnu cannot come. In Kali Yuga, Bhagavan cannot come. Kali Yuga, Lila Avatar, Bhagavan Nakare Bhagavan. In Kali Yuga, directly Bhagavan cannot come, cannot identify that I am Supreme Lord, cannot speak. Kali Yuga, Pratyaksha direct, not taking the form of Bhagavan direct. Okay, Bhagavan coming, but going in the guise of devotees, not directly identified. That's why another name of Bhagavan is Triyuga. Why? Because though Bhagavan coming all the time, but sometime coming in the guise, not clearly, nobody, avatar cannot identify that I am avatar. In the guise of devotee or something else, that's why the name of Bhagavan, one nickname is Triyuga. There is one sloka going in Bhagavatam, 7th canto, what Prahlad Maharaj already told, Ityam nitiryogrisi deva jasavatarer lokan vibhavayasi hansi jagat pratipano dharmam mahapurusapasi yuganuvittam channaha kalu jad abhavaha tijugo atho satam. And in Gita already Bhagavan says, Yada yada hidharmasya glanir bhavati bharata abhutvanam adharmasya tadatmyanam sriyamyaham paritranaya sadhunam vinasa chaduskritam sambhavami juge juge. Well, so it is written, Itvam, this way, Bhagavan can take birth in the form of aquatic element, aquatic, jivas, nitiryog, birds like this, what I already told many times. I already different categories. Bhagavan can take birth in a beast, bird, man, all different. Ityam, Ni. In the form of human being also can. Bhagavan can Nala Gauranga Map or Krishna. Ityam, Ni, Tiryag, Rishi, Deva, Jasavatarer, Lokano, Vibhavayasi, Hansi, Jagat Pratipano, Dharmam, Mahapurushapasi, Yuganuvitvam, Channu, Kalau, Yad, Abhavahas, Yugo, Atu, Satam, So you can come in different form, sometimes like aquatic, eh? Hypophibias, hydrophibias, all different kind of Tirjagdev, or sometime in Devakula, what all in Brihad Bhagavatam they already discussed. And this way Bhagavan want to distribute Lokana Vibhavayasi Hansi Jagat Pratipano, want to give the aprakita knowledge or kripa so that they can get delivered. And Dharmam Mahapurusa Pas Yugan Vittam, Bhagavan taking this kind of form, and especially in Kali Yuga, not identifying himself of Bhagavan, and one cannot realize about his godship, the godships. So, only in three Yuga avatar can be expressed openly, and or other not openly, but in the guise of something else. Ityam netirjag rishi deva jasavatarir lokano vivavayasi hansi jagat pratipano dharmam mahapurusapasi yuganuvitvam channaha kaluyat abhavaha striyugu atusatam. This way, Bhagavan, your name, your one name is Triyuga. Triyuga. So what to speak? You are known of Triyuga. Prabhav also can be divided into two parts. One Prabhav duration is very short. Prabhav avatar, Prabhav from, and Alpakal Bhakto, and another is okay, a little bit more time. Anativistita Kirti, Vaibhavanito, just like Mohini, Hansa, Vistita Kirti. And Dhanantari, Mohini, Hansa, all they appear and after that disappear immediately. After the function is over. Very quickly. Whereas Dhanantari, Rishabha, Vyasa, Datto, Kapil, they also Anadivistita Kirti. Their glorification is there. Kirti, so Jugavatar also, four types of, second kind of Prabhav avatar, for long time, Dirghakal Bhakto Sastokarta, Munijanavat, Chesta, Akarjavisisto, Prabhav Avastha, Avatar, Ekadas. I can all come, don't worry, I can come and discuss. I like to make the discussion very easy, catchy, otherwise you can feel complicacy. The Vedanta also I am trying to make it very easy, very catchy, though Vedanta is very tough externally. Vaibhav Avastha, so Prabhav Avastha, Avatar Ekados, and Vaibhav Avastha, Ekavingsha Avatar, Paravarasa Avatar, three type. One is Sinishinga, Dasarathi Ram, and Sri Krishna. They are full of Saragun. Paravarasa means their position is very high. They can reserve all six Purna qualities. Oisajyasya, Vijyasya, Jasasa, Sriyo, Jnana, Vairagya, Saiva, Sadaiti, Bhagavad Injana. So all Nishingo, Dasarathi Ram, and Krishna, they can reserve all six qualities, six, places, all in, Purna, and they can be compared like one lamp is, one lamp I am going to help, by the help of one lamp I am going to help another lamp to grow up. So Purna Sakti they have. And their position is very high, Mahavaikuntha. Vaikuntha, Mahavaikuntha, and after that actually Golok Vrinda. And among them, Krishna Leela also can be divided into four part. Basic, how four part? But inside Bhoma Vrindavan, inside Bhoma Vrindavan, Brajadam, Madhupur, Mathura, and another is Dwaraka, and eternally what Leela is present in Golokdam, Shetaddeep, Golokdam, eternally present. They're all four parts. And remember, Krishna reserves some special qualities, already I told. It is the vichar of Sriman Mahaprabhu, Siddhanta tastu aveda upi, Shri Isho Krishna Sarupayo, Rasena utkisati, Krishna Isham Rasasti. Shri Isha, I mean Narayan and Krishna all same, but still there is difference, way havoc different regarding sweetness lila. Rasa. So here also we know Krishna can reserve all Rupa Madhuri, Guna Madhuri, Lila Madhuri, Venu Madhuri. All four are exclusively, all these four qualities are exclusively reserved by Krishna. Nandanandan Krishna, not Krishna, Nandanandan Krishna. So Krishna can reserve all. Rupamadhuri, I already told four. Gunamadhuri, Rupamadhuri, Lilamadhuri, Venumadhuri, all reserved. No, not even Ram. Nobody can get this. Not even Dwarakadis Krishna, not even Mathuradis Krishna. Be careful about it. Krishna has some exclusive sarup. Very, very exclusive sarup. So, also, while Krishna is going to deliver somebody, Hatari Gotidayakatva, what is the translation? After killing, Krishna giving them position. That right also reserved by Krishna. Krishna Hatari Gotidayakatva. Follow. Like one example I can sing. Hiranyakasibu in Satajuga, but how they wanted to help them a little go up, wanted to give some movement, at least you go forward. So in Teta Yuga, Ravana Kumbhakarno, Dapar Yuga, Shishupal, Dantabarko, follow, but finally their position was given by Krishna. You can remember. Finally they are going to get the position. A position who can give? Sometimes we hear Kashi Maranat Mukti. If we die in Kashi, leave our body in Kashi, we can get Mukti. Yes. If we can leave our body in Sukar Khetra, also Mukti. Also. But those Mukti is not direct Mukti. Gradual promotional procedure. Through gradual promotional procedure, we can get Mukti. Not direct. So Kasi Maranat Mukti is okay. I also told one sloka long ago, maybe 1 or 2 years back. Also, if you leave body in Gaya, also you can get Mukti. Follow. But also in gradual course of time. One sloka is there from Baraha Purana or somewhere else, I forget. Gayayancha stale mukti Varanashyam jalistale, jalistale cha antarikshe tridha muktin cha sukare. Is a comparative statement. If you live body in Gaya, in the land, then you can live. Varanasi, water and land. But in Sukarkhetra, land, water, space, whatever, wherever you live body, you can get mukti. But that mukti is also not direct. Actually, Sukar Bhagavan is Vishnu Tattva. He can give mukti, but all other they cannot give. Vishnu can give mukti. Mukti data Vishnu reva na sangsayo. Mukti data Vishnu reva na sangsayo. Okay? But anyway, position Krishna can give. Krishna hatari gati dayakatva. Krishna can give position. He can also finish. After finishing, can give position. That is reserved by him. And all four different qualities what I told, exclusive reserved by Krishna, that is totally separate things. Follow. So, even more and more higher position is Krishna, Chaitadip, Golok Vrindavan, then Raghavendra, Raghunath, Ramchandra is Sarup. Glorification of Krishna is more higher than that, more and more. Bhagavat Avatar, all Purna. We cannot make any discrimination. Bhagavat Avatar is all Purna, all Purna. We cannot make any discrimination between them. But still, Bhagavad Avatar, any Bhagavata, is Purnata. But expression of Sakti can differ. Bhagavad Sakti Vichar. Krishna is not any avatar, avatari. Krishna, Angshitto. In Bhagavan, Achinta Sakti is there. And in this book also some wrong conception, like Krishna Balaram is the avatar of two hair piece, Kesh avatar Khandan, Buho Vichar, Vasudev avataratto Nirakaran, all, everything. Also, Krishna was tested very much. Finally, the conclusion came, Vishnu Tattva Mahattamo, Sadasiv also, Vishnu Tattva, the Tattva is also, he is non-different from Mahavaikuntha Nayak, Krishna and Narayan. There is some Tattva that I already told. Siddhanta Vichar of Sriman Mahaprabhu, Siddhanta Tastu Avedo Upisi Isha Krishna Sarupayo, Rasena Utkisate Krishna Ishara Sasthitihi, that I already told. But see, Ramanujacharya naturally, he wanted to establish Narayan's Dha. It is natural. Don't think that Ramanujacharya has done wrong. Try to understand, please. Even according to a rasa tattva, who is having what kind of interest of rasa, he is giving importance to one rasa and feeling that is the best. Otherwise, that kind of rigidity, their rigidity cannot stay. Follow. If those who are going to do bhajan of Ram, if somebody going to they are thinking Ram is the best, okay? Ram is the best, okay? So according to their calculation, estimation is okay. But if you stand in neutral platform, then you can discover really each and every bhakta, each and every devotee bhakta according to their own rasa, they are correct, right. Ratak Paktak, they can say, okay, that's rasa, okay, very nice. Okay? Those who are having Vatsalya rasa, Nandu, they can say, they are, okay, it's fine, it is the topmost. It's quite natural, Shakha, Siddham Suna, okay, we don't need anything, he says, this is the best. This kind of firm belief, this kind of firm belief should be there in Ishtadeva, otherwise they can feel, they can become fickle-minded. For the confirmation of their own Siddhanta Vijay, it's a must, it has to be there, otherwise not. So, it's right. So, Ramanujaja naturally wanted to establish Narayan, because then they are, because he is ordered by Bhagavan to come here, Ramanujaja, according to that he is doing. Even I already told that, even in Jagannath Puri, Srila Ramanujaja wanted to establish some Vedic special rules and regulation, restrictions, because Pandas, they according to his estimation, as the Pandas they are doing all, it's not good. I can make one sequence, make one system, but in the morning time, Ramacharya discovered himself 700 or 800 kilometers away in Kurumachalam, South India. He was then in Puri sleeping. Together with the bed state, he was transferred. What is the capacity of Bhagavan, Krishna and Balaram? He was transferred totally therein. Where? Kurumachalam. Hey, you like to, hey, I like it. I like to, those Pandas, they are doing seva, I like it. Why? Who are you to change? That's why. So that is not the deficiency of Ramanuja. That is not the shortage, that is not faults of Ramanuja. It's quite nice with this kind of, Leela must be there. Ramanujacharya, he is going to establish Lakshmi Narayan Seva. Okay, nice. Okay. But anyway, if they are feeling that there is some other excellent tattva, then Lakshmi Narayan or Ram Sita, then they cannot develop rigidity. That's why it's a must. So, Yasodama, Nandu Baba can feel, yes, it is the topmost. Sakarasa, okay, is topmost. So, it is written in Chaitanya Charitamrita, according to their own estimation, own point of view, they are all right, they are not wrong, but still, if somebody is standing on neutral platform, they can feel that Madhur Rasa is the topmost. And also among Madhur Rasa, Parakiya Rasa is the topmost. So what to do? So in this book, all of our acharyas, they honor Ramanujacharya. But regarding this Siddhanta, our Rupa Goswami Bhat wanted to show that, okay, actually, Ramanujiyo Matir Nirakaran, he wanted to show that Ramanujacharya is okay, he is okay according to his own estimation. But among all, Krishna is the topmost, even more and more than Parabrahma, Mahanayak, Narayan, from them. So Krishna cannot be compared with anything. And also Krishna Manusya Lila, human Lila, তার মধ্যে নরলীলা, নরলীলা সর্বোত্তম, topmost. Just human being. Naralila is just human being. So Krishna Vigraha, Naralila is all really excellent. All. So Naralila is topmost. Krishna Vigraha, Manusya Lila is all. And Bhagavad Vigraha, any Bhagavad Vigraha, and Deho Dehi, no different. Deho Dehi Bhago Ayam Bhagavataha na vidyati. Ishwarasva na vidyati. Arthat, like us, Deho Dehi. Inside us, our Dehi, Deho, this. But according to Bhagavan, all part of Bhagavan, all complete. All Siddhanta we should remember. Any part. Like you like to take one dust particle from Bhagavan, lotus is also complete. A nail part of Bhagavan is complete. Any part, whatever you like to take, any hair, head, hair, also complete. Because Bhagavan complete, and each and everything of Bhagavan is complete. Mahaprasadam is complete. Anything complete. Anything. Even dust particle from the apple is also Purna. So, all Purna. So, Lakshmi Devi also feeling attraction for Krishna. That discussion also you can remember took place at Srirangam. You can remember that also discussion took place. Mahaprabhu wanted to joke, is Aprakita joking with Venkat Bhatta. Well, I know it's all same. Venkat Bhatta wanted to say in front of Mahaprabhu, oh, Narayan and Krishna say. Mahaprabhu said, okay, I know. But still, why then why Lakshmi Devi wanted to get the association of Krishna? Well, all same, Krishna, okay, I know it. But why so? Why so? That is the reason Krishna is having four special quality reserved: Rupamadhuri, Gunamadhuri, Leelamadhuri, Venumadhuri. All, nobody never can get, even not Ram. Nobody, only Krishna. That's why Lakshmi Devi, she is still today, she want to get the association, still today, she want to get the association of, still today, she like to get the association, still today, she like to get the association of Krishna, but not getting, but not getting. Why? Why not getting? Because Lakshmi Devi, she thinking, I am the goddess of riches, so why should I follow those beggars, Radharani? They are thinking. So actually this way, not ready. Not ready at all. So, we can find still today, Lakshmi Devi, she is doing, yes, still today, she is doing bhajan in the Billavan, that side of Jamuna Nadi. You can remember, eh? That kind of So, there also one confirmation, all different documents we can show you. Uh, in Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto, there we can find all Kaliya Patnis, they are praying unto lotus feet of uh, lotus feet of Krishna and speaking, Hey Prabhu, whatever you have done, all for good, no bad. Anugrahoyam bhavato krito hino dando asatam te khalu kalmasapaha yaddanda sukatyam amusadehina krodo opi te anugraho evo sanmata tapaha sutaptam kimanena purvam nirastamanena cha manudena dharmo athava sarvajananukampaya yato bhavan sussati sarvajiva kasyanubhava asyo na deva vidmahi tabangrirenu sparsadikara yadvanchaya srillalonaya charattapo vihaya kaman suchiram dhita brata. What? Kasyanubhavasyo nadeva vidmahe tavangrirenu sparsadikara yadvanchaya sri lalonaya charattapo vihaya kaman suchiram ditabrata nanakapistam nacha sarvabhaumam na paramistam narasadhipatyam na yoga siddhira punarbhavamba Banchanti yat padarajaha prapanya. Now, Kaliyanaga also saying, what Kaliya, our husband, what he has done so good? What is the luck? Why then? Why is going to get such an privilege, extraordinary advantage? What Lakshmi Devi is still today expecting, not getting? She is expecting, not getting. What is that? Kasyanubhava shona deva vidmahi tabangri renu sparsadikara jadvanchaya srir lalona yacharattapo vihaya kamana suchiram dhitabbata. Yes, leaving all appliances, everything, why Lakshmi Devi still today passing through austerity and penances at Villavan, not still today, not getting that kind of opportunity. And Nagapatni speaking, we don't want heavenly planets, Sarvabhauma, Paramesta, or the post of Brahma. No, we don't want any Yoga Siddhi, because we are expecting dust particle. We are inclined to your lotus feet to get one dust particle. Nana kapistam na cha sarvabhaumam na paramistam na rasadhipatyam na yoga siddhi rapunarbhavamba vanchanti yat padarajaha prapanya. Aha, jai ho. This way, we have all details, information. We all have detailed information what to speak. So anyway, Krishna is the topmost. No avatara, nothing, never can be compared with Krishna. Is a totally exclusive. Okay? In this way, Ramanujacharya naturally, he will have to establish the supremacy of Narayan. Okay, all same. But still, regarding Leela, Madhuri, Krishna is the topmost. Anyway, so this way, don't think that Ramanujacharya was wrong, he rectified. Rupa Goswami Padma never wanted to speak that way. Even our Prabhupada, he wanted to honor all four acharyas. You can go to Chaitanya Math, you can find all four acharyas, Nimbaka acharyas, Vishnu Swami, Madhacharya, Ramanujacharya, all four acharyas in four corners. Because our Prabhupada always wanted to give them honor. Anyway, their point of view is okay. And when Mahaprabhu came, he wanted to give a nice touch, nice touch, and Mahaprabhu wanted to prove, okay, all four acharyas are more or less all okay. They are not wrong. But still, if you add this point, Achinta Vedavet, then all their four different points of view can get harmonized in very easy way. That is the main. But anyway, they are not wrong. They are according to their own estimation, they are right. Okay, that's not a big problem. So, Lakshmi Devi also expecting the association of Krishna. What to speak about Lakshmi Devi? Even Krishna, he himself, Uddhavji speaking in third canto, by watching his own saru. I can discuss this point tomorrow. By watching his own saru in the palace, there is crystal pillar. While moving around Krishna, suddenly watching his own picture, what? Who is he? Who is he? Now you see that is Dwarkadis Krishna. Then what to speak about Nandanandan Krishna? Inconceivable, beyond human comprehension. But only philosophy cannot help you. You have to do bhajan, I will have to do bhajan, and to realize this point, realization is the best. Anybody can pass lecture, that's what value? Anybody can pass, he can memorize and speak, but what is the value of that kind of lecture? Well, we always want to get realization. Together with, we want to speak Harikatha and hear Harikatha, but together with realization. Without realization, all useless. If we discard realization, all matter can left. Who care man to get later? We can go to any philosopher, professor. We can hear philosophy. What is the use? No use actually. So, when Krishna himself roaming around in his own palace, he also feeling astounded. Who is he? Are you oh, I myself? Yes. Some other points I may discuss, but don't know, I cannot elaborate, discuss because time is limited. I like to show you, tomorrow also I can discuss all in details. Tomorrow, today not. So Krishna is Swayamrup, and about that Krishna there is some special things, because Narayan can never take birth. So their party, Ramanujacharya party is, oh, Narayan is not taking birth, Krishna taking, that's the more recent. There is, oh, they are speaking this way. Actually not so. Is already answer given. Ojo pisano. I am Ojo, but still taking birth. Janma karmo chame divyam jome vetti tattvato takta deham punar janman noiti mamitus. Many documents. Tomorrow I can discuss. Today time is limited, I cannot. Also, you can grow complication in your brain, heart. If you can catch from heart is more practical, but what to do? Everybody cannot do. So, Krishna is the topmost. Krishna having no end and starting. He is the original cause. Ishvaraha Paramakasya Sachidananda Vigraha Anadiradi Govinda Sarva Karana Karana. All same. Only in Puran we can find appearance and disappearance. But different tamasic Puran Rajas wanted to misguide you, to fix up your brain in Brahma or Sankar. It's one kind of magic spell. Then Brahma is the all, In Tamasic, Sankar is the all. Okay? And some Puran you can find Krishna was killed by one hunter, body was burned. This kind of all Bhagavan Chaitanya Mahaprabhu already told. All hypnotizing, all arranged by Yogamaya. Krishna's Antadhyan Leela Mahaprabhu already told. Already Mahaprabhu told. Sanatan, or the disappearance of Krishna, or the disappearance of the Shakti wives, Mahishi, Ranis, their all abduction, all Mayamoy. Mahaprabhu already confirmed it. So, you cannot make fool of us. But anyway, in different Puran, to help people to get fixed up their mind in some uncertain issue with which they, according to the standard, it is more practical to stay up to their level. If they jump, they can break their leg, everything, like those of Sahajiya, Raganuga, Rupanuga devotees, Sahajiya, they are breaking their head, leg, everything. They can never come out successful. So, Krishna has no starting and end. Nantar vahir yasso na purvam na picha param. Regarding Dhammanna Lila, this sloka is there. Sukadev Goswami speaking, well, Krishna no ending, no starting and end. But still Yasodhama like to bind Krishna. I can bind, is very, naughty boy. But all useless. Eh? All useless. Who can bind whom? Na antar bahir yasso na purvam na picha param. Eh? No end, no starting. The Krishna, just still Yasodhama out of love. This is called actual pure love of Brajavasis. So I can all discuss, not today actually. I will stop today, because time cannot permit, excuse me. I can start again. And internet problem is very, very big problem. Still with enthusiastic mood I am always discussing, but you cannot do very problem, big problem. Big problem, always, every time, internet. It's so dirty problem, even is disgusted. So, I like to end with the starting slokas actually. Srimad Prabhu Padam Bujai Srimad Bhagavatam Vritam Yad Bhyatyani Tadivedam Sankhepena Nishebhati Vancha Kalpaturvasya Kipasindhu Vivacha Patitanang Pavanebhyo Vaishnavibhyo Namo